Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by making the environment safe. Wear gloves and eye protection, unplug non-essential loads, and set the UPS to bypass or standby so you can work without live load. Once done, locate the battery label for voltage and capacity and grab a multimeter and screwdriver. Press the UPS self-test button to trigger an internal diagnostic. Make sure to record whether it passes and capture the battery's open circuit voltage with your meter, so you have a baseline for deeper checks. You next perform detailed diagnostics. Open the battery compartment and visually inspect cells for swelling, corrosion, or leakage, because physical damage often predicts failure. Then measure the float voltage across the terminals and record it. Once done, apply a brief calibrated load or use the UPS's built-in load test and measure voltage under load to see how it sags. Make sure to measure internal resistance or conductance with a suitable tester or infer it from voltage drop, because high resistance equals reduced capacity. You finish by comparing your measurements to the manufacturer's thresholds. If float voltage, load sag, or conductance exceed allowable limits, plan replacement. If they are within range, monitor regularly. Once decided, follow safe disconnect procedures, note polarity, and install new batteries that match voltage and capacity. Make sure to recycle old batteries properly. If tests are borderline or the UPS still faults despite acceptable numbers, try a firmware reset or contact support. This tip often resolves false alarms before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.